Garmin may not have announced the Enduro 4 alongside the new Fenix 9 series, but that doesn't necessarily mean the watch isn't coming. A recently reported Indonesian certification listing for a new Garmin outdoor device could be another clue that the Enduro 4 is still on the way. The device, which carries the model number A05197, was certified in Indonesia on August 25th, the same day Garmin launched the Fenix 9 series. So, the filing doesn't actually name the watch, but the timing is certainly interesting, especially since Garmin left the Enduro 4 out of its latest flagship launch. Previously, A05420, A05419, and A05146 were also listed. The first two can now be treated as Fenix 9 series models with very high confidence. A05146 is different. The strongest current theory is that it could be the Fenix E2, largely because it appeared as a standalone outdoor device, while A05419 and A05420 formed the Fenix 9 pair. That leaves A05197 as a possible candidate for the Enduro 4. So why would Garmin hold back the Enduro 4? One possibility is that Garmin simply wants to give the Fenix 9 lineup some room before introducing another high-end outdoor watch. And the Enduro has always had a very specific identity, extreme battery life, so Garmin doesn't necessarily need to compete with the Fenix 9 feature for feature. We already know Garmin has been working on an Enduro 4. References to the watch have appeared in Garmin's own software, and another unreleased Garmin device previously showed up in FCC certification. But this latest certification citing is particularly interesting because it came immediately after the Fenix 9 launch. At this point though, I'd be careful about the specifications. There are plenty of rumors about improved solar charging, longer battery life, and other hardware upgrades, so the story right now isn't that Garmin has cancelled the Enduro 4. Quite the opposite. The evidence suggests Garmin still has a couple of unreleased outdoor watches in the pipeline. The real question is whether the Enduro 4 will arrive later this year, and what Garmin can do to make it stand out from the new Fenix 9 Pro. And that's all we know for now. The Enduro 4 is still a mystery, but it looks like Garmin may have something waiting in the wings. Let's see what happens next. Until then, peace.